Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, we are going to fix the issue your printer is showing offline. So how to make it online from the offline. So first of all guys, we need to make sure that the printer service is running inside our window. This is the most important part in this video, since the Windows services are essential in order to run any application. So open the services as admin mode, and once you open that, look for printer related service. So press P on your keyboard and we need to look for printer spooler. Okay, if it is already running, so you can restart it once. If it is not running, you need to right click over there and go to properties and set the startup type to automatic. Once it is selected automatic, click on start service, click on apply, click on OK, and this is the first step. Okay, you need to also check that the printer is you are not using as offline. So in order to check that, we need to open the control panel. Okay, once you open the control panel, go to view by icons in Windows 10 and 11. Select here the large icons. Once you select here the large icons, go to devices and printers. Okay, let's say this is the printer you are using here, so you need to right click on the printer. Okay, and go to printer preferences like this, or even you can double click on it. Okay, and once you double click on it, go to printer options and make sure use printer offline is not tick. If it is tick like this, let me show you. If it is tick like this, you need to untick that option, which is use printer offline. Okay, once you have selected that option, check if your issue is solved or not. If still not solve your issue, make a right click on printer, go to its printer preferences and go to advanced. Then you should able to see the options to configure it. Let me show you. Since these are the default printers, so that's why I'm not getting the options there. Okay, printer properties, open the printer properties and go to ports and make sure the local port is selected here with your IP address, and then click on configure port. Once you have selected the configure port, you need to untick this option which says SNMP status is enabled. Just untick that option, then click on OK, and you are good to go. You have to restart your system guys, and your issue will be fixed. If you have still issue, what you can do is you need to right click on your printer and simply remove it. Once you have removed it, you can add it from here and it will fix your issue. Make sure you plug the proper cable into the printer and make sure you can ping the printer IP as well, if you have knowledge what is the IP address of printer, and make sure it is on the same network on the Wi-Fi as well as on the local area network. So I hope guys, after applying these method, your issue is fixed. Then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.